Simplify your production process with Maven RegTech. Experience how our platform streamlines ISO 13485 compliance through structured production planning, batch record management, and real-time monitoring, ensuring efficiency, traceability, and quality control for medical device manufacturers. Click Records to begin preparing the production plan. Click on Control of Production to proceed with the next step. Click on Production Planning to initiate the planning process. Click the View icon to access month-wise production data. Click Add Row to create a new production plan. Select a product from the drop-down, enter details like brand name and batch size, then click Generate Batch Manufacturing Record to create the BMR number. From the Records folder, click Batch Manufacturing Record to log production activities. Select the planned product from the displayed list. Click Process. Select the initiated process from the drop-down and enter the required details to request raw materials. Open the Actions menu and select Requisition Slip to request raw materials. Click on Generate Requisition Slip to initiate the request. Select the checkboxes for the required raw materials or components from the list. Then, click Submit to send the requisition to the raw material store. In the purchase records, click on Raw Material Stock Register to view stock entries. The next window displays raw materials along with their available stock. Go to the Requisition section, check materials linked to the BMR number and click Issue to proceed. A new form opens with an auto-generated issue slip number and auto-filled issue date. Click Save to complete the raw material issuance. After issuance, the status updates to fully or partially issued. Once the raw material is issued, reopen the BMR and select the process start date time and end date time from the calendar. Click on the e-sign option to provide your digital signature. Enter your password and click Submit to confirm completion. QC will be notified if in-process inspection is required. QC users should click In-Process Record to perform inspection. The inspection parameters and acceptance criteria will auto-populate for each stage. Click Equipment Details to select the required equipment. Enter the observations in the respective fields. Record observations, select the date from calendar and click e-sign to authenticate. Enter your password to validate the inspection, then click the Submit button to confirm in-process inspection. QC users can enter non-conforming and/or rejected quantity during in-process inspection and perform the e-sign to validate. Enter the e-sign password and click Submit to confirm. Click on Non-Conforming Product Register to fill the records. To fill the non-conformity, click Go to Report to access the report. Enter non-conformity details, rejected quantity, and rework quantity for QC tracking. Enter the cause. Select Corrective Action from drop-down. Choose CAPA option, select No from the drop-down, if not required, and provide justification. Assign the responsible person for review of filled non-conformance report. Once CAPA is filled, the responsible person performs e-sign. A notification is sent to the reviewer for e-sign, followed by the approver selecting Approve, Reject, and completing e-sign. Select Responsible User from drop-down to notify about non-conformance. Select the rework process from the drop-down menu. Choose Rework as the work status and follow the standard BMR process steps. Once rework is complete, the rework report auto-saves under control of non-conforming for reference and compliance. To review rework details, go to the Rework Record History folder and click Go to Record. Enter remarks and click Save to record the updates. Once submitted, the status updates to Submitted, and the record sheet can be downloaded. After closing the non-conformance report, return to the BMR. A new table appears. Select the next process from the drop-down and repeat until manufacturing is complete. After all processes are complete, click the Move to Final Inspection. Click Final Record. Enter test results in the observation fields, select the inspection date, and e-sign to authenticate the test record. Once all testing is completed, click on Go to BMR and add non-conformity to proceed. Enter the non-conforming quantity from the final inspection and e-sign to authenticate the non-conformity record. After completing all processes, click the Final Record icon to proceed with final documentation. The batch release checklist opens with key verification questions. Select Yes or No from the drop-down for each question in the checklist. Once all questions are answered, click the e-sign to confirm batch release completion. Once the e-sign is completed, a confirmation pop-up will appear, indicating the BMR is successfully completed and closed.